Well, we have some interesting news from Samsung leaks. We have some live photos of the Galaxy S22 Ultra. And what do I see on the left side? That's right, an S Pen. As someone who uses a phone with an S Pen built into it on a daily basis to edit videos like this, I'm really glad. Like, I was not that happy when Samsung reportedly unofficially confirmed that the Galaxy Note series is going for its demise. But if the Note series and the S series are gonna be merged into one single phone with the features of both, then that's fine. Like, if you don't understand the value of this plastic pen, then I don't blame you. It obviously means you haven't used it. I guess it's a story similar to Apple ecosystem. You know, once people get used to that thing, they don't want to move away from it. So similarly, once I get used to Samsung's features that they offer with this smart S Pen thing, I don't really want to move to something else as long as there is a new phone with the same features. Thankfully, the S22 Ultra doesn't look like those horrible renders that we have seen. It looks much better in real life. The camera arrangement kind of reminds me of the LG Velvet, you know, the dewdrop style cameras on the back. Poor Samsung, they were all like confidential, no photos allowed, and then the photos appear on Twitter. The design also looks a little bit different. It's a little bit more boxier. I mean, the Galaxy S series has gotten more and more boxier since the S10 came out. If you remember, the S8 and the Note 8 were entirely different devices. Like, the Note was a very square-ish phone. The Galaxy S series phones were always rounded, cornered phones with a much smaller footprint in the hand. Now, to me, at least to my eye, the new S22 Ultra seems pretty same in terms of footprint as the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. And that's not a bad thing. It'll have the same flagship features that we are expecting from a new phone like this, like the Snapdragon 898 on the US versions and the Exynos 2200 in the European versions. Samsung might finally upgrade their charging this year to 45 watts, so I guess that's a welcome upgrade. The primary camera will still be a 108 megapixel sensor and a 12MP ultra wide with another 10 megapixel telephoto sensor. There will be two 10 megapixel telephoto cameras, one at 3x and the other at 10x optical zoom. So that in a nutshell was your sneak peek at the Galaxy S22 leaked design. What do you think? I frankly like it. The smooth back without any camera hump with only the camera sensors protruding outside, it looks kind of interesting. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments, and you can join our Discord for more chats like this.